Well, Kaja Goo Goo Creepy Crawlers, I Sobaire. I'm in my hometown in Simi Valley, and I'm going to check out Hummingbird Trail today. Let's go.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Okay, first, right off the bat, something I want to point out in case you make it up here. Watch the parking. You have from this sign, this is the first sign, and you have from the other side of this sign to that sign down there to park. I kid you not. So park in front, in back of this sign, but in front of that sign. And they do come up here regularly and ticket frequently. So don't park within those lines. Okay, we got warning signs, rattlesnakes, coyotes, mountain lions, rattlesnakes, and coyotes. And I have brought my, what do I want to call it? My hiking rattlesnake stick. But you may say, hey, Sobaire, that just looks like a ski pole with tape on it. Well, it is. I got it at Goodwill. Both of them for like $5. I'm at the start of the trail. Here's the view. I've actually never hiked this trail. I've come up here to the field, and it's a good place for me to fly my drones. And down at the bottom of the field, there's a drain tunnel with a lot of graffiti. Some of it's really, really cool. You should check that out. It's pretty scary at night, but yeah, you should go check that out. That girl just passed me. She's probably wondering, is that a bottle of water in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?
Oh, yeah.
I am told there are some pretty cool caves. I'm trying to figure out how I get from where I am to over there. I do see a trail over there. So I guess I'm going the right direction. Wait, look at this. Okay, we're going downhill a little bit. I should have probably picked a cooler time of day to do this, but oh well. And what do we got here? Hey, cool. Looks like the remains of an old car. Yeah, there. Let's see. Let me get on the other side. Think so. I think this is the front. We got a door here, air vent here, the roof there. I'm not sure that that pipe's associated with it. And yes, I have to say it. You know, back in the day, the Manson family lived at Spahn Ranch, which is not far from here, and would steal cars and dump them. Would steal especially Volkswagen Bugs and strip the bodies off, keep the frames, put a Porsche engine in them, and use them as dune buggies. Cool, getting a little shade. And coming into view is the wash tunnel I was talking about there. Been in there many times. I actually have a video of it on my Creepy Crawl with Sobaire YouTube channel. You should check it out. I may stop by the tunnel on the way back, but if you want to see it, it's on my channel. All right, forward we go. This is the interactive portion of our video. I've come to a fork in the road. Let's see, make sure you've seen it. Do I go down trail A or B? Press A for A. Press B for B. I'll wait. Did you actually press the button? I'm actually going to go up B to get a better view and see what's around the area. So I'm looking for caves and stuff. It's always a little strange to me to see a palm tree in the middle of on a mountain. Wow, okay. When I pointed out that palm tree, I was going to say usually that's a sign of where a lot of water is or has been. And it looks like that's the case here too. Looks like there's if it rained, you have a nice waterfall right there. Have some water still there. I'm still going to go up Trail B a little bit. That'll be for another time. Got a hawk right there. Hope I'm getting him. So far, I'm seeing cool stuff on the trail I should have taken that I didn't take. Tree growing right through that boulder. Tell some water was running down this last rain. And I picked the heat of the day to do this hike because I'm an idiot and wore a black shirt. Okay, got one cave here. And you can see some nesting in there. So at night, that's something's home. Here's a little trail that goes to it. But I'm not going in there. So I'm in wussy mode today. And I'm not positive, but I think that's poison oak or poison ivy peeking out in there. If I'm right, leave me a comment. Here's my view from the trail so far. Okay, I just spoke to a fellow hiker and he knows not of any caves, but I'm going to continue a little further and see what I see. And this could be a very old shirt from the Indian tribe, the Hey, how are yas? Hey, how are ya? Hey, how are ya? But this guy is taking up residency. It's always upwards, isn't it? Okay. This is the view of where I am now. Over there, once I find it, it's the famous happy face of Simi Valley. And here's the pan shot. And since I said pan, and I'm in Simi Valley, little Simi Valley history for you. Up on Santa Susana Pass, there's, I believe it's a residency now, but it's a rather large one. It used to be called the Pan Club. And what I remember, it was legalized gambling at one time. Look it up, Simi Valley Pan Club. I actually remember driving by that when I was a little kid and the parking lots were full. But yes, again, Simi Valley Pan Club. It's almost hard to say. Rocky, rocky terrain. Okay, we got to peek out here. And I see some graffiti. I am attracted to graffiti. Courtney, best friends. Megan is bossed. Now, boss is an older word. That's from back in the 70s. So maybe this has been here a while. Well, creepy crawlers, I'm gonna wuss out on this one because I haven't eaten anything yet. And getting hungry. I picked the wrong time to do a hike, but I will come back. Anyway, I do like this trail. So if you're in Simi Valley, California, check out Hummingbird Trail. I don't know if you can see this butterfly, but he has been following me all the way down the trail, or I'm following him, or we just happen to be going in the same direction. I hope I'm getting him. It's really pretty. He's white with orange wingtips. Uh-oh, he found something else to do. He's going back up. Extra special bonus footage. Okay, since I wasn't real happy with my video, I am gonna go into the tunnel, the wash tunnel here, and take you with me. Like I said, I think it's pretty cool. And it actually is very cool in there. It's nice. See, this is more of my thing here. Alrighty. Big lizard. You see it? Look at that thing. See, he does push-ups. Are you threatening me? I am very big when I stand up. Alrighty. We are there. Usually I have my backpack with my lamp and such, but for my camera, but I think we're gonna be okay. Don't run out of pain. That actually makes a lot of sense. Do the fake fupa. Some of you know what fupa means. Anybody can draw lame faces. Well, I think that's pretty cool. I don't think that's a lame face. Phew, took the head off. It is nice. Nice and cool. And at the top, we have a penis. I mean, someone somehow maybe hung over the edge to do that. And here we have a sure sign of stupidity. Yeah, it's probably the same guy that drew the penis. I bet you anything it is. We hate gays and blacks, but I'm gonna draw me a penis. Next time I'll draw a black penis, because I hate them so much. Yeah, shot of the tunnel. See, I think this is pretty cool looking. Probably washed down, obviously washed down, but check this out, this little toy truck here. There's a truck in the canyon. A truck got washed away in the storm. See, I think that looks kind of cool. Very cool, actually. Cupcake MG. This piece has been here a long time. I have this in my other video. I think it's pretty cool. Need some real talent there. This I have not seen before. I like the face. I think this is new. Apathy. What movie is this? Oh, airplane, listen. I'll try to do it right. Nothing annoys me more than an old droogie going glub, glub, glub. Stinking drunken singing songs of his youth. That was my worst impression ever. But can you name the movie? All right, I do need a little night shot here. We got this guy creeping. Let's see here. And this flower face has been here a long time. Flower. Face in the corner. Bob Flowers was here. I know Bob Flowers. And a little further down we go. Everybody's voice sounds good with an echo. I just made that up. Another one would have been kind of cool is respect existence or expect extinction. That could be my version. Remember what I was saying about the swastika and the penis? Same guy? Well, look. Penis, swastika. Told you. Now that is cool. Holly Lucifer. Hello, Lucifer. Fail. Please know, if you're gonna worship Satan, I think he'd appreciate it if he spelled things right and not make him look like an idiot. Oh, that's cool. That wasn't here before. Check that out. See if I can get a picture with my camera. Well, I hope you enjoyed the bonus footage. Stay tuned for more. More coming up soon. Stay creepy. Stay creepy.